Welcome everyone. You might be in a situation where when you try and open up Snapchat, you see this pop up right here. Oops, Snapchat has a camera app. To continue, you'll need to allow camera access inside the settings. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily fix this error and enable camera access on Snapchat. So all you do is you just tap on open settings and it should bring you to the Snapchat settings. If it doesn't, just open up the settings app. You'll see this page right here and just scroll down until you see Snapchat. So we'll just tap on this and then you see camera. You just want to enable this. Now for some reason you are unable to enable the camera. This means you have a screen time restriction set on your iPhone. So to reverse this, just go to the screen time settings. So we'll go here and I don't have screen time, so I'm just gonna get rid of all this. Okay, and we'll just do a nice little passwords. All right, so there we go. Is this gonna... I literally just went through this and there we go. Okay, so there might be a situation where you have restrictions right here. And so let's say, photos disabled or camera disabled. It'll be somewhere here. Just make sure you just turn off screen time. That's just do your best bet. And then once you've done that, you should be able to enable the camera. And you can see there's my face. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to smash like. See you guys later. Bye bye.